सांसों में बड़ी बेकरारी, आंखों में कई रत जगे, कहीं कभी लग जाए दिल तो कहीं फिर दिल ना लगे। अपने दिल में जरा थाम लो जादू का, मैं इसे नाम दूं जादू कर रहा है, जादू कर रहा है असर छुप के हो।
So it all started with meeting in one common family function where we both got introduced to each other. However, there was no objective of getting married. We just got to know about each other more. Like we belong to same profession, so we just had a short communication, but no intention to get married or taking any relationship further. So a small discussion, small chat, and then all over.
एहसास की जो जुबान बन गए, एहसास की जो जुबान बन गए, दिल में मेरे मेहमान बन गए। आपकी तारीफ में क्या कहें, आप हमारी जान बन गए, आप हमारी जान बन गए। आप ही रब आप ईमान बन गए, आप हमारी जान बन गए।
Some months later, I just got a notification that someone has viewed my profile on LinkedIn. So even I went and viewed Hitesh's profile.
Which may be called as destiny call. Like I was getting a notification that someone is viewing a profile, so I just saw that profile. And then Ruchika also was getting that notification that someone is viewing that profile. So it's just go on again and again, again and again.
So I got kind of a bit irritated that why are we viewing each other's profile again and again. So then I texted him that can we stop looking at each other's profile. So then maybe he got a hint that we need to talk. So he texted me after taking some 15 to 16 hours that hi, how are you?
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने, नैनों के रंग नैना जाने, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, अब तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना, छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, अब तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना।
We thought that yes, it's getting clicked between both of us. Then we decided why to involve first parent. Let's have one secret meeting. Although our parents know that we belong to same community and we could have included, but since we want to know more each other, so we decided to have one secret meeting. We had one meeting, we talked, we discussed, we tried to know each other, and then finally it was a turn that we need to take a call that whether yes or no. And then immediately after this secret meeting, I thought that it was a good opportunity for me, like it's a complete package for me what I'm looking for, and then I said yes.
We met without letting our parents know in COVID situation where no outlet was open. We were standing on road and talking for like 2 hours. Then we went home. We liked each other, so we told our parents that okay, we want to get married. So then next day our parents met and everything was done within just a span of 1 day.
सितारा दिन शगना दा चढ़िया आओ सखिया नी वेड़ा सजया ओ सारे जग दी तेरी झोली चढ़िया आओ सखियों नी वेड़ा सजया वेड़ा सजया मिलन वराइया नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी वेड़ा सजया
Ariel Filmer. Ariel Filmer. Ariel Filmer. Ariel Filmer. Ariel Filmer.